What is up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr.Dopestatus on Instagram, and welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at Low End Modular, and this is a new one from Native Instruments, and this is a complete instrument, and it's from 10 Phantom Rooms. With this one, you're going to be getting a lot of low-end synths, deep drones, pulsing pads, some basses, and some special effects. And I kind of want to say this one's for the composer that's going to be doing a lot of cinematic films and things like that. So what I want to do with this video is just kind of take you through some of the presets and then just kind of show you some of the controls as well. So if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and please do not forget to turn on the bell notifications so whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. So let's dive into Low End Modular. All right, so I hope you are getting a feel for Low End Modular. Let's go over some of the controls here. So as you can see at the top here, you have your different channels, which is 4 layers, which you can mix and match your sounds. Of course, you always have the dice. If you just want to roll the dice, it picks a random sound. You have your morpher tool here, so you can morph between the sounds as you move this from the bottom to the top. You have A, B, and C here. And then you have your other macros down here, which you can control either with a keyboard or with your mouse here, as I'm doing. And then you have some extra buttons here, which can do some cuts. And then this is a low mid cut, and then a sub you can cut where it can boost this one here. And then back at the top here, you have your mixer, so you can always mix the sounds to your liking. See, we have your pan, space, echo, and if you want to add some dirt to it. And then we have our edit, and this is where we can really dive in and shape our sounds. And this goes for each channel as well, so we can have more control over our sound here. And then we have the animate here, and it has a step sequencer. You have the different patches that we can choose from. So if we want to select a patch, we can do so here. Choose how many steps we want. And by using the slider here, we can create some unique steps here. And this one here also shows the speed. So how fast do you want it going? It corresponds in the notes. So we have the 16ths, the 30-second notes, or if we just want to do 1/1, we're able to do so as well. And also we have our LFO controls down here as well. So that is pretty much the low end modular. As you recall, before I did a video on low end strings, and like I said, it's by the same person, which is 10 Phantom Rooms. So if this is something that you're interested in, maybe you're that composer or wanted to dive in and get some special effects to make your music more cinematic or for a film, then this is going to be for you. I am going to leave a download link in the description below. It's your boy Young Fizz. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you on the next video. We out.